how to use content marketing to grow a business. And I think the big thing to understand is whether or not you're going to be doing organic content as well as or paid content. And a lot of people get very frustrated with content marketing for the fact of that typically from all the mentors that I've spoken with is that it can take 12 to even 36 months while you're basically doing more of the organic content. It's going to be posting every day and letting your audience grow over time in order to start to get those followers. Both of my mentors in regards to building organic content, both of them, it took them 2 years. So I think that you have to be ready to do the long game if you're going to go with organic. And organic basically means that you're just uploading it, whether that be to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and really understanding, is your target audience going to be on that site? If you're, looking for an older demographic, are they going to be on TikTok or are they going to be on Facebook? So really understanding where your demographic is going to be, and then understanding that organic, my old business coach used to talk about digging the well. So with like relationships, is that a lot of times it's basically digging the well for gold versus panning for gold versus, with paid ads. One of the good things with organic is that if you do start to see some small wins with the organic, is that you can start to change that same content into paid. So I would say, in the beginning, in most cases, is that you're going to need to start off with paid, and basically you're going to be putting together a post that you're going to pay Facebook, Instagram, Google in order to sponsor that to get people to see it, versus organic. It's just going to take much longer. So as long as you kind of understand those two differences, I think that, content marketing to grow your business is fantastic. It's just understanding the channels. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more.